whole infighting that's going on in the Congress, इसका मतलब इवेंचुअली वोटर्स को तो गलत ही मैसेज जाएगा ना, इसका क्या खामियाजा लेना पड़ेगा
देखिए,
कांग्रेस?
मैंने एक अखबार में लिखा भी था कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो रूलिंग पार्टी का रोल और पार्टी ऑफ अपोजिशन दोनों का रोल प्ले कर रही है. Just like Nehruvian days, Congress party is acting both as a ruling party as well as party of opposition. Now what is happening is that Sidhu has become a one-party opposition. He has become a kind of on his own, he has created a kind of because earlier there were some people, Channi was also one of the rebel against the captain. But right now it's a very funny situation. So obviously Channi is going to be, the rumor is, everybody is telling me that Channi is going to fight for another seat also, Adhampur seat also. And your newspaper has also reported it. So obviously this is the first time, because I have been covering elections since 2002. I don't remember that any candidate from a serious party, serious candidate fighting from 2 seats in Punjab, right? This is very unusual for Punjab, that a candidate. So obviously, if he is given ticket from Doaba region, where you have a major concentration of the Dalits, and in any case, there are 54 constituencies in Punjab, mind it, 54 constituencies where Dalits are more than 30%. So they cross the threshold. We always say 30%, 40% if a community is there. And obviously, if Channi fights from the Doaba region, that means that there is a clear messaging to the Dalit community, right? And then he becomes the chief ministerial candidate for it's very obvious. Then what is the option left before Mr. Sidhu? As Rameshji is saying, that Sidhu, we don't think that Sidhu is now going to jump to Aam Aadmi Party, but Sidhu won't take it lying down. That is also very clear. Yesterday he had a press conference and you saw that there was no picture of Channi. Now today in the newspaper it has come that Channi has said that the Congress should have a chief ministerial candidate, and in any case, and as Kejriwal is saying that he's going to announce a chief ministerial face, then obviously, and Akali Dal already has a face. So Congress would be in a disadvantageous position if the Congress doesn't declare its chief ministerial candidate. And if they declare Channi as a chief ministerial candidate, a clear message would go to the Dalit community. Remember, every third person in Punjab, I think more than third person, belongs to scheduled caste community. That's a stark reality of Punjab. And the identity politics does matter. All this talk about Punjabiyat and all those things, they are there. It's just like Kashmiriyat, Kashmiri Pandit and Kashmiri Muslims, bye. But the reality is not the same. Situation has changed. Since, it's a Punjabi Suba, so Sikh, Hindu, all those things. And Channi is a Sikh, Dalit Sikh. And in our CSDS survey, we have been holding it, it has always come up that the Dalit Sikh have always shown preference to the Akali Dal. And this fellow, Channi, is a Dalit Sikh, right?
Right.
The only disadvantage is that he doesn't belong to the Valmiki community. He belongs to the Ramdasiya community, which is in minority in Doaba region. That is one disadvantage. Yes.
You want to come in on that, Yashwant, and sort of explain your understanding of how this is playing out?
I think whatever he said is absolutely, I'm in agreement with that. And I have already said that right on the day one, that this could be very much a Mayamati movement of Punjab as far as Mr. Channi's candidature is concerned. And my data is not suggesting that within Dalits, the larger sects of Dalits are not considering him Dalit enough to be their leader or what. His Dalit identity itself has been cohesive enough to rally around the Dalit votes for him. However, there is an equal and opposite reaction of Jat Sikhs moving away from the Congress. It is difficult for them to get hold of them. And now I also know for sure from the data that that the urban Sikhs, urban Hindus are also kind of getting around with the Congress as far as the Congress leadership and the party as a party in power is concerned. So I think Mr. Channi has delivered what is supposed to be delivered. He is a long-term asset for the Congress. He can go great guns provided. Problem with the Congress is not whether or not they declare him the chief minister. Problem with the Congress is Forget declaring him the chief minister. Every day they are undermining his authority. You know, they are I mean, for all practical purpose, Mr. Sidhu is day in and day out humiliating the chief minister. And my researchers are
Which
also
is exactly what he did with Amarinder Singh. So Sidhu
exactly, and my researchers are also telling me, my qualitative team is telling me that, you know, a big number of Dalit voters that they meet, they also are apprehensive about this fact that हम वोट तो दे देंगे, जिता भी देंगे, बाद में ये लोग सिद्धू को बना देंगे. You know, I mean, that they were not very sure that after getting the Dalit votes, the Congress is not going to continue with their chief minister. So that kind of apprehension, I mean, Congress did a brilliant master stroke, but by not supporting that master stroke, they are probably throwing away the advantage that is going to come around with that.